in just a minute, okay?
Just wait your turn.
Do you love her, Sally?
Yeah.
Who are you holding?
Holding Catherine.
Oh, is she so sweet? She's falling asleep. She's gonna go night-night.
She's not going to night-night.
She's not?
She's not.
When?
She's with sister.
So are you gonna be her?
She wake up. She wake up.
Uh-huh.
Oh, do you see her?
I do.
Where's Mommy go? Where'd go?
She'll be right back in a little bit.
Where'd she go?
Is that a soft blanket? Is it like your snuggly blanket?
Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
She went to school with William.
With William?
Uh-huh.
And play toys?
Yeah.
And play toys? Then come back?
She's going night-night. Okay.
And she's not going night-night?
That's good. That means that she loves you and she's comfortable with you.
She's going night-night.
Can you sing her song so she falls asleep? Like Daddy does? What you are. Yeah,
Diamond in the sky, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I